What's baby seen? Oh, she wants candy. But candies aren't healthy, baby. Yikes, she's turned into Demon Baby. Take the candy away, Penny. Huh? She's back to Angel Baby, 'cause Mom's come in.
Can you fit your little sister?
It's okay, kids. Look, she's being good now. Don't be scared, Pit. No. Watch out, Pit. We need Mom. She's so naughty, isn't she? Quick after her. What's up?
Look after your little sister while I clean up.
Stay calm, kids. Take a big breath. Baby needs to learn what's right and wrong, doesn't she? She's attacking with stinky farts. Yuck, baby, that's gross. Don't take a deep breath yet, kids. You'll swallow up the stink. Watch out, she's gonna blow off again. Where's your pegs? Get them on your noses. Yeah, now your fart attacks won't work, baby. She needs a diaper change. Baby, stop that. Give it back to Penny. Not like that. You need to wear it, not Penny. Baby, you're so naughty. Quick, Pit. Get it off, you're gonna pop. Oops, Trout Pout. Baby's only showing her angel side to Mom and her naughtiness to Pit and Penny. Babies can't tell us what they want or need, so they become angry and naughty. But mums understand and know what babies need. Baby was tired and cranky. Mom knew, didn't she? Be quiet, kids. Don't wake the baby. Don't go near her. Leave her alone. Watch out, Pit. Don't make a noise. Uh-oh. Now you've done it. You've woken her up. You shouldn't have gone in there when she was sleeping. You've made her angry, and the only way she can show you is by changing into Demon Baby. Oh no, she's running away. Try to stay calm, Pit. Baby will feel that you're nervous. Yikes. Go get Mom, Penny. She always knows what to do.
Penny, don't leave me!
Baby wants your attention, Pit, but she doesn't know how to play nicely. That's why older siblings have to be patient when playing with babies to teach them.
He's a demon!
Look, kids, baby's good because Mom is calm and listening to what she needs.
Kids can be naughty sometimes, but that's okay.
Even you two are naughty babies, look.
Thank you for your patience.
When babies learn to talk, they can tell us, rather than show us how they feel. Always be patient. Lunchtime. What are we gonna eat? Bunches of broccoli, yummy in my tummy. What's up, Pit? Eat up, Pit. Veggies help us grow big and strong. No, Pit. Eat your lunch first. Mom, Pit's being naughty.
Pit, you should eat vegetables to stay healthy.
Bedtime in Pit's sad, isn't he? Dreamland time. Oh no, Pit's having a demon dream. Don't eat the junk food, Pit. This is Demon Mom. You're gonna get really sick, Pit. And a fat belly, too. More?
Mommy, my tummy hurts.
It's okay, Pit. It was only a bad demon dream. Mom only gives you healthy, good food, doesn't she? Good boy.
Well done. Here's your cookie.
Lunch first, then a cookie. Yeah. Mom's an angel, Mom.
Oh.
What are you watching, Penny? Move away from the screen, Penny.
Penny, you're sitting too close to the TV.
Further back or your eyes will hurt. Penny's ready for a nap. Shh. Oh no, she's in Demon Dreamland too. Demon Dad doesn't care that your eyes will get sore or that it's too loud.
Daddy, my eyes hurt.
He's not listening, is he? Sit with Dad. That's the right distance away from the screen. Angel Dad keeps you safe.
Let's watch a movie together.
Make room for me, haha. Pit's ice blasting the hot tea. But now it's freezing cold. Fire flame to make it hot again. No, Pit, it's too hot.
It means your tea is hot, hot, hot. So we
When something's too hot, give it a blow. Always check so you don't get burnt.
not together. When your tea
Now it's just right.
you can drink it then.
Penny likes hot. Pit likes cold. Warm is in the middle and more comfortable.
Let's have a nice
Watch out, crabs coming close, Penny.
dream, please. Can you
No,
see the
your ice cream.
I wonder
But that will be freezing cold. Yikes, your tongue is frozen to it.
It means your ice cream is cold.
Give it a blow to warm it up.
So you have to blow, blow, blow. Always be
Don't have things too
careful
cold or too
not
hot.
to freeze. Warm it up a little and
Blowing can warm up or cool down things. Whoa, too cold. Warm her up, Pit.
Let's have a pizza, pizza.
Careful, kids. Check if it's hot first.
Can you see the steam?
Ouch, Bernie.
What it means.
She only needed water on her hand, Jack.
It means our pizza
Never touch food before checking first.
so we have to
Blow on it. Here we go.
always be
We check with a thermometer so we don't get burnt.
when our pizza cools down. We can eat
Just the right temperature now. Bubble bath time for Blueberry. Penguins like cold, icy water, but not for you, Blueberry.
inside. Let's
No, check the water first.
ride.
Brr, Blueberry, the water is freezing cold.
Cold, cold, cold. So we have to add some hot
Pour in some hot water to make it warm.
Always be careful.
Dad's checked it. Now you can jump in.
When your bath is nice and warm.
Remember, kids, not too hot or too cold. Warm is best. Penny, is something chasing you? What scared you? Ah, a monster. Help me, I'm scared. Monsters are everywhere. It's okay, Penny. It was only a bad dream. Mom's here to keep you safe. The starry lights will keep the darkness away. Time for only good dreams now. What's that loud noise? Oh, the wind's blown the window open. Monster tree arms are reaching in. Mommy, help me, please. It's okay, Cherry. Mom's closed the window now. Yeah, earmuffs will keep out any noise. Sweet dreams, Cherry. Cherry's in magical good dreamland now. Dreams can be scary, but they're not real. Get away. Bad things aren't allowed in dreamland. What's wrong, Carrot? Yikes! Something's under your bed. Oh no, Teddy's fallen. Mommy, help me quick. Look, Carrot, it was only your shining star under the bed. We know monsters aren't real, don't we? Cuddle in with Teddy. He'll keep you safe. Shh, Pit, back to sleep. What's up? Ah, a monster beetle. Quick hide. Look, Mom, over there. A monster beetle. Haha, Pit, it's only the shadow from your toy beetle. Don't be afraid. Sometimes noises and shadows make us feel scared. But Dreamland is a safe place. Sleep tight. Mom won't let the bugs bite, haha. Cool blue playhouse, Pit. Careful, you've painted bird blue too, haha.
I'm gonna make my giant
Let's go find blue furniture for your new house.
just the way I
A blue bucket?
want. I will choose the color
Pit, why are you taking the blue socks?
blue, blue. Decorate
Shh, don't wake Dad up.
all around.
Uh-oh.
Blue color from the roof to the
Don't bounce, Dad. Oops, too late. But the ring's pink, Pit.
go. My blue
Good for Dad to sit on, though.
pretty and cool.
Bing, bang, bong the drum, haha. Penny's got a pretty and pink house. You need pink things to fill it now, Penny. No, Penny, you can't put your bed in there. It's too big and heavy. The pink sun lounger, yeah. Oh dear, it's too heavy for Penny. How are you gonna move it? Yeah, tow it away with your scooter. Uh-oh, Mom's not happy. Haha, she wants to play here too. Phew, Carrot, painting's hard work, isn't it? Oh, what's your idea? Haha, a hosepipe paint sprayer.
I'm gonna make my giant dollhouse just the
Watch
way
out.
I want.
Oops.
I will choose the
But Carrot, Kitty's trapped inside.
green, green, green. Decorate
Open it up for your surprise, Carrot.
green color from
Haha, it's only Kitty.
ground. Furnish up
Wow, a green book bed.
my greenhouse.
Carrot's tired herself out. She's fallen asleep. Blueberry has a sunshine yellow house.
Make my giant
Yellow ducklings would look cool in your new house.
the way I want.
Blueberry, the paddling pool is too big. Look, Frog's got you a new house gift. Haha.
Yellow, yellow.
What could we do with the yellow boots?
Around. Yellow color from the roof to the ground.
Wow, a yellow boot vase. Awesome.
Here we go. My
That's the perfect place for it.
house is so pretty and cool.
Quick, Blueberry, close the window. There's a storm.
My giant dollhouse.
Oh no, the rain's washing away the paint on the houses. Don't cry, guys. We'll think of a plan. Yippee! Pit's got an idea. Here, catch, guys. A squirt of blue. A splatter of pink. And splashes of green and yellow, too. Rainbow houses for everyone. Yippee!
Voca voca.
Yummy ice cream.
I am hungry.
What's up, Pit?
Hungry. I want to
Ah, let's play Guess the Flavor game.
ice cream.
What flavor is it, Penny?
Ice cream tastes so good.
My favorite, chocolate flavor, yum. And this one? Sweet strawberry flavor. Pineapple? Show her, Pit. Banana, yeah. Are you thirsty, Pit? Lemonade yum yum. Your turn to guess the flavors, Pit. Try this one. Lemon flavor is so nice. What flavor is this one? Oops, it's sour lime flavor, haha. Wow, flavorful fruit juice. And a juicy watermelon for Penny. This is heavy, what can it be? Yummy cake, woohoo! What do you want to eat, Penny? Guess the fruity fruit flavors. Uh-oh, Pit, no. Yikes. Hot fiery chili pepper. Penny feels on fire. Drink some water, Penny. You try the chili, Pit. Rumbling tummy means it's time for food. Cheesy chips. Did I hear chips? Please give me some. So many different flavors of food. Sweet, sour, spicy, and salty. Which one's your favorite flavor? No, Pit. Don't climb that way up the slide. Sharing with friends is fun, isn't it? Catch the flavors that you like, Pit. Your turn, Penny. Not the chili, it's too hot and spicy like a fireball. Come on, Pit, try the chili flavor. Haha. Penny's having a tea party. Oops, the teapot's empty. No, Penny, you can't touch the hot kettle. Stop! Penny, no! Only grown-ups can touch it. Look, Penny, even Mum wears a glove to protect from being burnt. The kitchen is dangerous. You have to be careful. I'll help you, Mum. I won't touch hot things again. Yummy. Oh no. Put it in the trash, Cherry. No, you can't eat it now. Cherry, it's dirty. Look at the germs that jump on from the floor. Dirty germs that would go into your belly. Yuck. No 2-second rule, it goes in the trash, okay? I'm sorry, Mom. I won't do it again. Uh-oh, Mom's cooking is making Pit hungry. No, Pit. Don't touch hot things. I want some now. Pit, it's hot and dangerous. It will burn you. The thermometer shows us how hot it is. Only grown-ups can check if the food is hot. Give it a blow to cool it down. Now try Pit.
I have to be more careful.
Whoa, kids. No running in the house. You'll cause an accident. Oh dear. Now the floor is slippery. The kitchen is dangerous. I think we need to mop up, don't you? Always clean up spills to stop others hurting themselves. Remember the safety rules, kids. They're what keep us safe. We won't play in the kitchen. We'll be more careful. Safety first, yeah.